Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, you can see here, this is year 3 of my heirloom and open pollinated seed saving project that I've been working on. And this one here, I tagged this here, and you can see these are our seeds, and these are ready to come off here. The seed pod's ready to come off. So I'm just going to crush this here in my hand here. So we have quite a bit of chaff mixed in with our seeds here, and you can see this is one of the seeds here, and this here is all junk here. There's no seeds in that I am seeing. There's no seeds in this, so we're just going to get rid of this here. Okay. And this would be easier to do on a paper plate, but I don't have one out here right now. But did give us a few seeds here. So I would recommend saving, marking a few of these off to make sure that you get enough seeds for planting next year. I got about 7 seeds that I see so far. I don't think I actually dumped any of them off. If I did, they went in the grass. But I still have more of these blooming here. You can see how beautiful these blooms are here. And this is an heirloom variety. I have some other ones tagged here for a different variety. This back here is a Pink Surprise. And I'll have to get the name of this one here. I'm not sure. I don't remember the name of that one there. But I'm going to cut this stem off here. And I still have my seeds here. So what I'm going to do with these seeds is once I get all the chaff sorted out from them, I'm going to put them out on a paper plate in a cool, dark location for a few days for them to dry out. Make sure that they don't have any moisture on them. And we haven't had rain for a while, but you still get like the morning dew and the humidity. So I just want to make sure that my seeds are nice and dry before I put them away for storage. Now this one here is one that you could put in an envelope and your seeds won't fall out from the envelopes. But I'm probably going to put these in a little plastic bag, like a little jewelry bag, and close it up. And I'll store my seeds in a cool, dark location. I choose to store my seeds in the refrigerator. I put the seed packs in Ziploc bags and put them in the refrigerator. But that is your choice on what you choose to do for that. So you do want to start this project early. I'm trying to think. I don't remember when I had tagged this one here off. I know, I don't know if I'll find it on my pictures or not when I was taking pictures of this here. I may have tagged it off last month. I think in like the beginning of the month, I think is when I tagged this off. So, did take them a little bit to give me my seeds here, but I am going to tag probably this one here off as well, so I can get some more seeds from that. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.